Hello guys, this is Tonica Sound and today I will show you how to make a cool future lead. For future house, for techno, for maybe progressive house and so on. As an example, we will look into the project UMEK Vibrancy. Let's get started. Nothing special, just similar drums to the original. You can see silent one. We have two oscillators. First oscillator, this is simple saw, and second oscillator, this is white noise. Oscillator A1, 1 voices, rhetoric, octave +1, and oscillator A2, 1 voices, rhetoric, and you can see it's very quiet in volume. And the last important step, this is the main envelope, envelope A. This setting makes the sound short. How can it be used for other style? You just send to envelope 1 to filter cutoff A and B and adjust the filter and envelope as you like. Saturn as a saturator. OTT, it pumps up the sound. And Valhalla room.